Hello and welcome. Today we are going to take a close look at the atoms. So what exactly is an atom? To be an atom, you need to be around 0.1 nanometers and you should weigh less than a material that you can ever think of. Also, it has a force called strong force, and the strong force has 1083 times more power than the gravity. Before starting this topic, I would like to inform you what is atomic mass and atomic number. Atomic mass is the total number of what is inside the nucleus. This is the sum of protons and neutrons. Atomic number is the number of proton in a nucleus, and when the number of positively charged particle, aka protons number change, it becomes a totally different element. So what is atomic decay? Decay is an attempt for the atom to be more stable, like everything in the earth do. Less than 1% of the radiation that we are exposed to comes from nuclear industries. Vast majority of them comes from natural decay. Alpha decay is when proton gets decreased by 2 and usually forms a helium that is stable. Proton and neutrons have the same number. This is because if an atom goes through the alpha decay, they are most likely to be an atom with low atomic mass. Therefore, there is no need to decrease their number of protons and neutrons in a significant manner. In beta decay, the neutron changes to proton. In this process, the neutron's electron gets to be free. Take for example, the radium that possesses 88 atomic number and 228 atomic mass changes to 89 atomic number and 228 atomic mass. This will make the atom to be stable because by turning neutrons to protons, the protons will be proportional to the atomic mass. Therefore, the atom will be much more stable. The final gamma decay happens after all the previous attempts are finished. It was found by Paul Villard in 1900s. He had found that atomic nucleus can be arranged in a different arrangement, and every arrangement has its own energy levels. I'm pretty sure you know how when electron moves to higher energy level to the lower, it emits photon, also known as light. However, when it comes to nucleus going through higher energy arrangement to the lower, the nucleus emits gamma ray. Gamma ray is very radioactive and a lot of material cannot block it, so it is extremely dangerous. So basically, when the nuclear plant erupts, it is most likely to be contaminated by massive exposure to gamma rays. So now I will inform you about isotopes. Isotopes is when nucleus do not have enough neutrons comparing to the original element. They can still survive without decay, barely, because they are radioactive, but they do not change to another element because it has same amount of proton. And some examples are carbon-14, which means that there are 6 protons and 8 neutrons. Now, how can you know what kind of isotopes is it just by looking at the name of the element and the atomic mass, 14? It is quite simple. The table shows everything about atomic number, and atomic number is the number of proton inside the nucleus. So carbon always should have 6 protons. If the number of protons change, it is no longer a carbon. So you know that there are 6 protons in carbon, and 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Now you can try with another one. Titanium 47 also is an isotope, and according to the table, it says that 22 protons is inside the titanium. The normal titanium should contain 22 protons and 22 neutrons, but in this case, it has the atomic mass of 47. What we're going to do is 47 minus 22, so we get 25. It means that this isotope contains 22 protons and 25 neutrons. How intriguing. If you learned something in this video, please subscribe and for another vital science video, and put down some positive comments below and make a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.